The exchange rate will be purely market-driven, using the Thomson Reuters and FMDQ order matching system, as well as the conventional dealing book.
That announcement by the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, sets the ball rolling for the reopening of the interbank foreign exchange market. The CBN had closed its twice-weekly sale of forex through the retail Dutch auction system 15 months ago, after battling with an ever-widening margin between the value of the naira at the official market and the interbank end. Afterwards, the central bank sold on demand to banks. The operation of the reopened interbank FX market through the FMDQ FX trading platform is described as a right one, which is expected to drive liquidity as well as deepen the market.
With the market freed, so to say, it means enhanced liquidity will provide the capacity to pay for imports.
But what the CBN is doing now is to say they've appointed 15 banks to stand as the primary dealers for the FX market, basically, and they would sort of act as intermediaries between the central bank and the authorized dealers.
The immediate effects, as well as the short to medium-term results of the relaunch of the interbank foreign exchange market, is seen with the decision of the central bank to clear all the backlog of FX demand through spots and forward settlements. This is followed with a special secondary market intervention sales of the dollar at a marginal rate of 280 naira to the greenback.
We just saw indicative quotes, from all banks, and no deals were done. But getting to around 11, we saw Central Bank coming to ask all the banks to submit all their demand. So right then we saw a bit of spike in the market.
At the parallel market, the US dollar is sold for between 330 naira and 350 naira. Through the interbank FX market, the central bank plans to edge against volatility with the use of futures settlements.
The manufacturer, and this is something I've experienced personally as an analyst, walk up to me and say, look, this is a new year. Where do you expect the exchange value of the naira to go in the course of the year? If you tell me naira is going to lose value, then it pays me to go now to a bank, to borrow money, and buy so much FX in order to place order for my raw materials and other inputs for 9 months production cycle.
At the macroeconomic level, the interbank FX market is expected to positively affect government spending. The introduction of the interbank FX market is regarded as a bold step by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Analysts believe if the liberalized guidelines are followed, it would lead to the stability of the naira. Bolaji Akinwale for Channels Television News.